Welcome to SEMPER IDEM Signature. Don't forget to comment, like, share, all bell, and subscribe.
I'll spend time to write and sign your request.
While waiting at the airport, preparing the tarpaulin ng Gillicot.
Eating at Crocodile Park. Na lay game because of the track.
Going na sa SAMAL Island. Excited na kayo ang tanan.
And of course, Dealey Calamton ang picture. Para na makita ang evidence for sure.
And then nayabot na jud sa resort. Bisang natigay special view. Parin ang hair na kulit.
And then kay hungry naman pid. Eat muna to forget the pagode.
Now this is it. The night of ARLO and BETH.
The long table of unlimited food. Kini kao napid.
Marag sides raw gani takeo. Feels and looks increasing pasan.
Let us now enjoy the water. Bawal sa not swimsuit ang attire.
After swimming, eating time na naman. Kay going home na put lobby kay long. Hila sa wharf of SAMAL Island.
Maybe you did not notice. Kasama natin si Adam of the documentaries.
Sa wakas na sa bahay na. Fellowship dinner at Unlimited Rice Pa.
Thanks to Utero del Loricon family. Special mention to Beth, 8 Belen, and Kuya Jaime.
Merry Christmas, everyone. Merry Christmas.